Hey guys, Joey and Ian here from Ganderous. Mark and Cameron here. You know them from Joey's Cloud and the Game Beast tournament and such.
Hello.
Today we're going to be unboxing some golfwang mystery stuff. So basically there were 3 tiers of mystery bags. The first one was the $35 one, which was a t-shirt, a hat, and accessory, which was Ian's. And then there was the $65 one, which came with 2 bottoms and an accessory, which I got that one. And then the final one, which was the most expensive, was $85, and that got you 2 fleece/cut and sew items.
Jesus Christ, Mark.
I would like to say $35 was the base price. I'm gonna give my little golf gripe here. Joey, use cooltext.com and make a flashy logo that says golf gripe. Look, I like what you're doing. Your sense of style, it's cool. Your products, they're cool, but your shipping prices are way too goddamn high. $16 to ship a shirt across the country is a little bit ridiculous, don't you say?
I agree,
Yes.
but it's just like...
And I know it's apparently they got a small team working over there, but I don't know. It's not too big of a deal. So it ended up being $50 for the smallest. I guess I'll do mine first.
You go first.
So mine is still factory sealed in the box. Joey had his put into this bag by a third party. So
shout out to Banana Republic.
2 bananas for $1.
all right, let's cut the tape on this here.
Before he completely opens it, what are your guesses for shirts?
See, you guys have all the golf experience. I'm kind of a
I'm
casual.
calling he's getting an Igor shirt.
You guys, what do you think?
Something Igor.
No idea.
I'm thinking Cherry Bomb.
Cherry Bomb? Ooh.
Teenage Execution hat.
Okay. That's better than the thumbprint hat that I've been seeing on Reddit.
And the shirt is...
Oh, nice. Okay, you know what?
It is.
That's better.
If I can get it unfolded, it is... What is this exactly?
It's just a golf long sleeve.
That's cool.
Okay.
That's real cool.
That's from last season. I remember seeing that. That's way better.
That's
I'd rather
nice.
get that than Igor stuff. That's not bad.
And the accessory is a camp flog gun.
Oh!
Yes, sir.
That's sick. Do you get any stickers now?
No.
I swear to God, if I get stickers, I guarantee I'm gonna get stickers.
Well, I might as well try on all the
Your teenage
stuff.
execution hat.
So what's the story behind this exactly?
I have no idea.
Wrongfully convicted 1944 Southgate. Is this an Emmett Till reference? Look at that.
He looks swagged up.
There's
take this
You look
there's the
looking
golf on
swagged
the
out.
sleeves. I never really get shirts with stuff.
T-pose. I guess I'm opening from front to back. All I know is whoever did this, they did it in a file, so I'm just gonna go one by one. So here's the first one.
Ooh.
This is a fleece. Oh, it's the white bee crew neck. I've seen this.
What a wrinkly ass fucking shirt.
Not bad. I mean, it's pretty simple, so that's cool. It just has a little. It's Flower Boy related, obviously.
I like that.
That's gonna be a nice, simple everyday wear.
Okay.
Next up. Oh, we got
Ooh, a bag.
Bubbles button up. This is interesting.
I'll flex that in class.
That's nice.
I'll flex
It's,
that in class.
I don't know. I don't know if it's really my style, but
Try it on.
Video style.
See how it
It's
looks.
my style.
I don't know where the accessories are. But we're just gonna go to the pants right away.
Ooh.
We got some.
Sweaty.
Oh, these are the Converse sweatpants that go with those color block LaFleurs, the green ones. So these are literally the same color. And then what I presume to be the last item, guys, grand finale. Can I get a drum roll?
Oh
No! Cherry Bomb! I know people got these, but these are the ones that never came out and were friends and family.
Cut up.
Yeah, here they are.
Cut up. Cut up.
I know they're
But I
reversible.
didn't.
Pretty
So
fucking
stop.
sick.
I like this green actually. They're not too bad. So they're reverse and they're checkerboard.
I don't know how I feel about checkerboard.
I prefer the
shorts,
green, but this is still cool.
Ooh.
That's it.
Not bad. Nice material.
Oh, I got 2 stickers. Those are my accessories. God damn it.
What?
Since we got enough room now. I'm sorry.
You know what? I don't even care. This totally makes up for everything. Okay, so I guess let's rate our mystery bag. So I'm going to rate the pants an 8 out of 10 because I think these saved it. These are okay. I'm going to rate my fleece a 6 or a 7 out of 10. It's just something basic and something, I don't know what the hell I'm going to wear this with, but
You'll figure it out.
I could probably pull something off with it, maybe. But like, this is super wearable. Like, I'm happy with this. Fuck the stickers.
So
you got the best accessory easily. That
yeah,
is
I mean,
sick.
the fact that you got 2 stickers and I got a lanyard. I mean, I don't know what I'll use a lanyard for, but I'll use it for something. Yeah.
Put your keys on it.
That'd be a good idea. I think I'll do that. And then the hat. I don't know how I feel about this. I mean, the color is all right. I mean, but. Yeah, there's something that doesn't rub me the right way about this.
This wouldn't be an outfit.
I know,
that would ruin it.
I know, I'm just saying, I'm just having on.
I know, but like with some of the mystery bags, sometimes you'll actually get stuff that might actually go together kind of well.
And then the shirt, it's pretty cool. It's wrinkly as shit. Like, I didn't get it like nicely.
Keep in mind, if you're washing golf stuff, wash it inside out. Don't put it in the dryer. Hang dry. That was the 2019 Golf Monday Mystery unboxing. We wanted to get every single type to show you guys what you could possibly have gotten, because it's gone now. You can't get it anymore. Don't ask them if they're back. You have to wait till next year.
Anyway, we decided to do this video for you guys because we know you like the ice cream video. If you want to see us do more stuff related to this or anything else, let us know in the comments.
If you guys want to see like
if you
guys want to see like my collection, I mean,
he's got a lot of shit.
I don't have like a lot.
He has a good amount of shit. An above average amount of shit.
I have like a few LaFleurs and like some crew necks and some shirts and some pants. But well, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, share this video.
Check out other shit. Say hi to the audience, James. He's been sitting here the whole time. He doesn't really care about this stuff, but he's down there, still out of frame.
Okay.
All right. We'll see you later.
Later, brothers.
Peace.
Well,
I mean,
don't kill.